In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock exclusive savings with Suno AI. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or new to the world of online deals, these tips will help you get the best value for your purchase. First up, be sure to follow Suno AI on all their social media platforms. This is one of the best ways to stay in the loop about the latest promotions and updates. Suno AI frequently posts about new products, special offers, and limited time discounts on channels like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. By following these accounts, you'll ensure that you don't miss out on any opportunities to save. Plus, you'll get some great insights into product highlights and usage tips that can enhance your experience with their products. Next, take a moment to subscribe to their newsletters. This is a powerful tool for accessing exclusive deals that aren't always advertised elsewhere. Newsletters often include early bird announcements and subscriber-only offers that you can't find on the regular website or even on social media. As you enter your email, keep an eye out for that welcome email, which might just have a special discount code for new subscribers. It's a small step that can lead to significant savings. Now let's move on to another crucial tip. Regularly check reputable coupon websites. These sites compile and update promo codes from a wide range of brands, including Suno AI, giving you the chance to snatch up additional discounts. By setting aside some time to browse these sites, you could discover codes offering percentages off your total purchase or even free shipping deals. A simple search for Suno AI coupons can throw up some great offers, but remember to do this regularly as these codes can change frequently. When it's time to make a purchase, remember to apply any promo codes you've gathered during the checkout process. As you reach the payment section, look for a specific field labeled promo code or discount code. Carefully enter your code here to see the savings reflected in your total amount. Double check your code entry to ensure it's accurate. Sometimes even a small typo can prevent the code from working. Finally, it's vital to verify the discounts before proceeding to payment. This means reviewing your order carefully and making sure that any applicable discounts have been applied correctly. Take a moment to look over the final price and the details of your order. This last step helps avoid any unpleasant surprises and ensures you're getting the best possible deal. By following these steps, you're well on your way to maximizing your savings with Suno AI. Keep these strategies in mind, stay updated, and enjoy shopping smarter with these proven methods.